Trying to get the stains out of concrete always seems like an impossible task, but with this week's featured product, it might take a little less elbow grease than you realize. Check out the concrete floor cleaner from Primrose. Because concrete is a porous material, if oil or grease gets splattered on it, it can seep its way into all the nooks and crannies, making it quite stubborn to try and get out. Thankfully, Primrose came up with a solution for anyone who wants their shop floors, garages, or even walkways to look like new. It's also very easy to use. Start by wetting the area of concrete to be treated, followed by a sprinkling of Primrose's powdered concrete floor cleaner. And using a rough bristle brush, simply scrub to your heart's content. Thanks to the formula being made up of potent pH detergents and foaming agents, the longer the cleaner is agitated, the better job it does of finding the offending stains and getting rid of it. It can also be used on surfaces other than concrete. Simply dilute the powdered cleaner in some warm water, and it can clean all types of flooring that's been hit with grease and oils. And best of all, this concrete cleaner is manufactured and produced right here in Canada. So get those patios and garages looking the best they can with this week's featured product, the concrete floor cleaner from Primrose. How do you get the stains out of concrete? Let me know what works for you in the comments section. And just like Primrose, our YouTube content is also 100% Canadian. Thanks for watching.